In this video, I will show you how to change your Roku account email. So to do this, what you want to do is just download the Roku app on your phone or go to roku.com on a browser. Now, after doing that, what you want to do is just sign into your account, and you can just sign into the same account that you're signed into on your TV. And from there, go to your account by going right there and click My Account. Now from within My Account, you will see here you can update your email. So to do this, just click Account Info, and here you will find your email address. Now just go and type in your new email address, and then you can click Save Changes. And after you do that, you can choose to keep you signed in on all devices, or you can choose to sign you out everywhere. And in that case, you will need to sign in again on those devices, but with the new email address. So now you know how to change your email address on Roku. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.